recently had a panic because I have just put in a new bathroom countertop, and I noticed like within a week that there were these three little spots on the countertop that were about this big, and they were kind of reddish brown, and I couldn't figure out what it was from. Nothing seemed to be getting it off. Like, of course, I tried our heavy duty, all purpose, professional strength red juice, the cleaner that I always reach for first. So these are quartz countertops, and you can see like there's some gray veining and stuff in this countertop, but there were these three like dark spots, just 1, 2, 3, like that, and nothing was getting it off. So I started to panic, and then I remembered like I have not even tried Pro Scrub. So I grabbed my Pro Scrub. Pro Scrub is a non-abrasive creamy cleanser, and I put a little bit on the counter, and I just grabbed like a paper towel because it was the closest thing to me. Cleaned it with the paper towel, and it came off like instantly within 30 seconds. So I did actually figure out what it was that caused the mark. We just got back from vacation, and I bought this really beautiful like soap dish, but on the bottom is 3 little feet made of cork. And for some reason, getting the feet wet, because of course it sits on my bathroom counter, getting those feet wet left a stain on the quartz, and that stain was not coming off until I tried Pro Scrub. So I'm going to be not using this until I can replace the feet with like little rubber feet or something like that. It's not going to be sitting on my counter getting wet, but I was super relieved that the stain came out with Pro Scrub. And I didn't even film it because I was in so much of a panic, like, oh my god, this brand new quartz is stained. Thank you, Pro Scrub. It got the stain out. As soon as I replace my feet, I'm going to be able to use my brand new pretty soap dish, and it'll sit here with no stains.